put like this ID, that example. So it means the table dot table. So that means table HTML export. Okay, so what is the format you want to use? The format should be JSON. After that one, what is the file name? As in, when you download it, what will be the file name that will be shown? Let me just put sample.json. Okay, so that is all. So that's all for that. Okay, so let's first test run the JSON whether it will work. So let me click on JSON. You see, it's downloaded. So wow, you can see the output there. Fine. Okay, now let's check the PDF one. Let me just copy this code and change this one to PDF. This should be changed to PDF. Okay, let's check this one also. Refresh. Then click here. Okay, why is not downloaded? PDF also. So click here. It happens that it's unable to download this PDF. Okay, let's leave this PDF. We do that one. We still do it, but let me do the last one, which is CSV. CSV. Let's check this one. See, wow. So the two, they are working properly. But this PDF, what you need to do is you need to modify this your table. You know, this our table, we didn't categorize it very well. So let's do it very well by having T head, T body. So the first we have T head. So inside here we have TH, so serial number, TH first name, TH last name. After TH we have T body. So inside T body we have this TR, TD, the first one, let's say the second one, second data, the third one. So I have the first record, the second, the third. Okay, now let's run this. You see the way it looks like. So let's now check the PDF. Wow, it's downloaded. Okay, you can see how it works now. That means you need to have T head, you need to have your T body. You know, in the T head, that's where we have the heading. In the T body, that's where we have the data. So normal in HTML. So if you run it, JSON downloaded, CSV downloaded, PDF downloaded. So let's click here. Oh, wow, you can see your data. So here, so this is how it now preview it, putting the head there and the other thing. Okay, refresh it again. You can see that it's customizing the head for you. So you want to download this code, come to this place, webbuilder 7.com/library/. Now the name of this library we use this time around is jspdf. Just type jspdf there. So if you download this, our sample. So and the second tutorial I want to show you is how you can use pdfmake. So next tutorial, you watch out. So in that pdfmake, that's when you can learn without going through all these libraries, all these T-body. Maybe you just want to capture what you have in image format and it will now convert it to PDF. So that's how that one works. Okay, so just watch out in the next sample here. Now I'm going to show you now. That's where you learn how to do pdfmake. Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can export HTML table to PDF using pdfmake.js library. This is very simple. What you need is to set up your HTML table, then add the button. When you click on the button to download the table in PDF format. Okay, how we go about it? Let's start our documents. Let me create a simple HTML table with Bootstrap. So let me use the library Bootstrap. I have this my Bootstrap library inside this folder called Bootstrap dot this folder CSS folder. So the name is bootstrap.css. Okay, let's create the table. All right, I'm going to have heading of my table. Serial number, first name and last name. So let me have it like this. So serial number, I'm going to have first name and last name. Okay, my table, my data should come here. The first one, the second one, and this last one. Okay, that's my first data. Let me